For our international viewers, you'll love this bit. That is one tame kangaroo.
Hi, I'm Amanda.
Hi, I'm Tim. And we're Travel Fit.
What are you doing? Tim forgot his helmet, so he's using my helmet.
So this is Mike, and we just finished a 2-hour pretty solid ride in preparation for the 6-hour. Say hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike.
So we got 2 weeks to go. We're feeling pretty good. That was a pretty good ride.
Yeah.
Had the GoPro on. I don't know if it worked, so we'll see. If it did, there's a spectacular crash of Mike, and if it's not on the GoPro, it didn't happen. But I crashed last time, so we're now even. But 2 weeks, we're looking good. Lacking huge amounts of motivation. I felt absolutely fantastic. Okay, getting ready for our next trip. This time we're doing a weekend camp at Kooralbyn for the 6-hour mountain bike.
Doing a long run.
You're doing a 32k run in the morning, so Amanda's got probably the harder job actually. So we're just getting everything ready. So that's what we do when we go away. We just carry tubs with all our stuff in it. They go in the back of the car. You can see the stuff that we're going to take.
There's another big kangaroo right there.
Keep out, private property, no entry. Alright, we're going in here.
You are terrible, Muriel.
It's a driving range, so we thought we'd best not go across there.
They're hitting golf balls and they're hitting them out this way.
Getting them this far out, maybe they should take up a new sport. Jesus. Now, I'm not allowed to turn when it's on, I've been told, but that's much prettier.
What he's doing.
So the 3 of us camping tonight in this beautiful place. In fact, you can almost see the mountain bike track up there. You see it across the top?
Oh yeah.
Here's something funny. There's some kayaks or canoes over there. And I'll show you how big this bit of water is. So that's the end, that side. And I'm trying to move very slowly. And that's the end, that side. So you can hire those canoes and go. Oh, and this section here might get bogged, so you probably get a 50-metre paddle in. Nailed it, honey. Uh-oh, there's a crazy kid on the pontoon. Look at that, little turtle and little baby one. Oh, look at this thing coming 100 miles an hour.
Because they feed them.
Ah, they're thinking they're getting fed.
We can feed them.
Heh.
We've got no food for you.
Look, it's got so much yucky
This is
stuff
gorgeous.
We've got a head in the bottom.
I can climb on top.
What are you doing?
I'm rolling out my muscles.
So Amanda did a 30-kilometre run this morning, and for 25 of it, I think she was enjoying herself, and for 5 of it, maybe not as much fun. So she's a very sore girl.
I had to stop,
And who had to come pick you up? Do you remember?
and you did. I was running a little late.
Yes, but we made it.
Places to be, and it took me longer than I thought it was going to.
It's supposed to be 32 kilometres, is that right?
Yes, it's supposed to be 32. Well, I was in an unknown area, and I didn't want to go out in the dark.
Yeah, no, keep going.
I didn't want to go in the dark because I didn't know where I was going.
Well, that's fair enough. Look at that, we've got a full moon. Tim's cooking segment. help travel fit,
Oh my god.
we have some quality cinnamon donuts.
No, Dad, you're not putting this on.
And just to add some more fat, we're going to fry them. Double fried donuts. Look at that.
So how does this fit into travel fit?
Well,
What fitness is happening here?
well, we will tell them one day about how we have a cheat 24-hour period which started
I can't see it, so dark.
at 6 o'clock, which was 48 minutes ago.
So we're into our cheat 24 hours.
Our cheat day. So let's see how this turns out. I must be honest, I've never done this before.
Oh my god, you're putting oil on.
Oil.
That's disgusting.
I don't think I actually want that anymore.
Oh, look.
You can hear
They're
it.
frying.
Hang on.
Can you hear it?
I don't think I want that.
Oh, you're only saying that because the camera's on. You want it.
In the background, we do have hokey pokey music.
We got the Wiggles playing.
There you go.
We're
Up
not sure
there.
what's going on up there. We've come back from having a drink at the pub, and
There's a
the
speaker
Wiggles are playing.
facing us with Australian music.
Oh, hello. I'm onto something.
You need extra sugar on them.
What? No.
Oh, yes. Have we got sugar?
No, we don't have sugar.
Oh,
It's not a thing.
yeah, this looks amazing.
For my cheat 24 hours,
Cheat day.
I have Whittaker's chocolate.
Boring.
So black plum and roast almonds.
I can't help but think you don't take cheat
Sounds
days seriously, Amanda.
I did find in the health food aisle.
10th double fried donut.
Don't you feel sick?
Yes, I officially feel sick, but I'm no quitter. So we were camping and this happened.
A traditional Aussie experience. I don't know what Aussies do this though. Good morning.
We come around and go through it. I'm sure that's what we used to do. Okay, so here we are, Mike, 20 years later. So there's a little story to tell, actually. Mike and I, 20 years ago, did a 12-hour out here, this exact location. And we were going really well, actually. We were sitting in second position in the two-man team. And at about 10-ish hours, I may have blown up a little bit. So Mike goes out on his lap, he comes back to tag me, and I'm nowhere to be seen. Where was I, Mike?
Under a table, just in the fetal position. And I asked him if he wanted to go out, and he said no.
And what did you say?
I said, well, I'm not going out either.
So at about 10.5 hours,
Yeah.
we pulled the pin. I started it, Mike didn't seem to be upset by the idea of not continuing. So you do finish in a 12-hour because it's done by lap, so officially we finished, but in our minds we didn't. So 20 years later, we're doing a 6-hour, which I think is much better considering our age, and it's our redemption event. So same team, same spot, here we go again. So we're representing Team Trex. Bikes are numbered, we're ready to go.
Are you going to the race briefing or this is it?
We're race briefing.
Really trying to get the album back to a real tour as a macro scenic rim. Just like to run through a couple of sponsors. Ramada Resort have been really good supporters this year. Also the SSS group. We've got Border Rangers Honey, the Big Pumpkin, which is in baby family pies. This is some fruit and some veggies. Brendan here from Geo Snap Photography will be out on the track. So thank you. Five, four, three, two, and off you go, guys. Well done. Good luck. Enjoy.
Good night. Okay, babe. You. Right on, Tim.
A long way to go. ARN 5 to go.
Jesus.
I think I've got a flat. So on my second lap I punctured and I had to come back, and poor Mike had to go out and do another lap straight away. I'm just going to sit here and get lots of sugar into me.
How was that?
Oh, when you think you've got half an hour left, that's for a break, and then you have to go hard again, it's hard. I forgot my gloves too.
If you'd like to see more of the mountain biking, we've put up another video of Tim wearing a GoPro for a lap. Check it out.
Mike Harvey coming to finish. Well done, Mike. Woo! Great team right in there. Phew! 7 laps. Alright, you got some honey from the local place on the border ranges. They do a really cracking honey. Red. Go to red.
Thanks mate, that was fantastic.
Appreciate it.
You got a 12 and a 24 coming up?
Yes, we do, yeah. 12 in a couple of months.
Yeah.
End of July, and then the 24, and then the 12's in October.
But the 12's a weird one because it starts at 6 p.m, goes through the night till 6 a.m.
Yeah.
Right, so it's all through the night.
All through the night,
Yeah,
dusk
right.
till dawn.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right, Andrew.
Awesome, mate. Thanks for coming.
No
Appreciate
worries,
it.
mate. Now listen, you lot, you need to subscribe.
Did you like this video? Give us a thumbs up and also press the bell for notifications and you'll find out when our next video drops.